What's up, my gang? I dag, så skal vi try not to laugh igen. Fordi at den sidste blev taget godt imod. Men ja, så grunden til, at jeg ikke har uploadet i et stykke tid på den her kanal, det ved jeg faktisk ikke hvorfor. Jeg er gået i gang med en ny kanal, der hedder Victor Lindy. Og I må meget gerne subscribe på den kanal, hvis I vil. Men ja, lad os bare komme i gang også. Og så den her gang, så skal jeg faktisk kommentere på noget af det, jeg ser. Okay? Det var så lidt. Damn! Bruh. It's her special way to waving goodbye.
I heard that once you're able to
The fuck? Oh, yes, jeg frikadelle.
complete the 300-pound grip strength, then something crazy happens.
Stakkels hund. My blind dog loves watching this movie. Damn!
Oh yeah, this how we do it. The game pit, man. Time to talk about Jesus.
200 IQ. Talk about Jesus Christ today. Sorry, I'm doing this every time.
Today. Oh, you're dead? Oh, okay. Well, you have yourself a blessed day.
Okay, you too.
You
Erika er lige her. Jeg ved ikke, om I kan se hende, men Erika, hun er meget nuttet. Jeg kan lige tage hende ud til jer. Så så skal jeg nok lige tage Erika ud til jer. Rolig, Erika. Rolig. Se Erika. Det er din friends. Altså, skriv W Erika. Det der. Farvel. Men lad os komme tilbage til videoen.
Hey, bro, right
Hvad
here,
skete der
G.
lige der?
You see my hand, bro, right here. Give it to me. Give it to me, G. Man, get your bitch.
So, Vorsicht, da kommt ein Fahrradfahrer. Hey, hallo! Stopp, Polizei!
20, 40,000.
How you get from 3 millioner op, nej. Sådan du, how you go from 3 million to $18.
3 million, $18, 40 million.
Bro kom for sent til skole. Imagine.
Hi. Hey, wait a second. You got something stuck in your eye. Let me get it out for you. Oh, it's me.
Han gjorde noget. Damn. Bro used all his oxygen. Ja, det er ild. On that high note. What the fuck? Straight to the back rooms. Damn.
What the fuck? I ain't do that! Man, wait, you better be careful. I can't even do that. I've been doing this for years, man.
Stakkels bedstefar. Nej. Instead, let's talk about you, our dog.
Blah 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 blah.
Bro, jeg tror bare, han er sygt tough. Det er han bare ikke. Og det var ikke cringe, det der. Det var ikke cringe. Hvad har jeg gjort? Hvorfor er der bare et får der med? Altså, hvad er det her for noget? What happened to Unk in them 2 seconds? Damn!
Explota la diversión para toda la familia. Ven a subirte al huracán. Anímate a vivir la experiencia de la rueda de la fortuna. El increíble y número 1 de...
Hvad skete der lige med ugen?
Ô, Johnny. Tem alguém te seguindo?
Ninja in real life. Damn! Fra at spise nogle grøntsager. Straight to backrooms. Oh my god. Og det var det er fordi at jeg er så sød mod jer derude, så ja. Ja, ved du hvad, der er ingen der virkelig sætter pris på hvad jeg laver. Lad os bare komme tilbage til videoen. Det er mig, når jeg ser mad. Nej! Hvad lavede hunden?
Yes, you can.
Try to relax your anus.
Big black Australorp cockerel, one of 500 birds that are being judged today at the show.
I don't even know if I can say this, and y'all gonna laugh at me.
I'm not gonna laugh at you. I promise you, we're not gonna laugh.
When I grew up, right, and I remember.
Yo, what? Oh my god, jeg har set den her.
The woman was too stunned to speak.
Cause that was just about, that's my shit. I want.
What's going on? You look like a. Why did you play?
On all that, I want this. I want.
Bro, det der, det er bare messed up. Holy shit.
I stood outside with my peener out, like usual. That's when I hear the bells approaching of the peener snipper guy.
Oh.
Look what I got at Home Depot, bro.
We're sending the first rat to the moon, boys.
Miss Warren, play Buford.
Me.
Buford, you listen? Now get this.
That's when the subcommittee had to reallocate.
Y'all look at my son in the back seat, man. Got my son. You ain't getting no ice cream, nigga.
Dedication and different character things. Listen, thank you that I got here. So.
또 한번 싸볼까? 엥?
Hey, get the fuck out of here.
What the?
Say last name for me again.
Hvad? $500 IQ. Damn!
I can't be your mother.
What's your wildest subway experience? I came from, I seen a pigeon get on for one stop and then get off on the next one. Like, you could have flew there, man.
Sin goteras. ¿Qué le parece? Ahorita la andaba yo buscando.
Nej. Det er fake. Det er 100% det. Bare lige sætte her på det.
¿Qué le parece? Ahorita la andaba yo buscando.
Inden den rammer. Damn! Holy tough. Damn!
I'm onto this documentary about police officers in Poland, yeah? Look how they stretch. Watch this.
Hvad er det for noget police workout?
I got beans, creams, potatoes, tomatoes, lamb.
Nej! Nej, bro. Nej! POV, you lose a game winner in 2024.
Has absolutely no effect on my hand. This would be due to a natural phenomenon known as I'm not made of fucking concrete.
Hey, han træffer i det.
What the? Bro, what are you doing? If you put a french fry and some ice cream, you will have...
Hvad skete der?
You can't handle the
Straight to the big rubs!
uber instincts of my uber autism. Observe.
Nå, men det var det for denne video. Jeg håber virkelig, I kunne lide den. Ja. Jeg har puttet rigtig meget arbejde ind til den her. Så jeg håber virkelig, I kunne lide den. Og husk at tjekke min anden kanal ud, Victor Lindy. Mig og jeg kan vise jer farvel. Peace.